We often assume that more choice equals more freedom, but in consumer psychology, the opposite is frequently true. This is known as choice overload. When individuals are presented with an overwhelming number of options, the mental effort required to compare them leads to anxiety and, ultimately, decision paralysis, where the person becomes so overwhelmed they choose nothing at all. A classic study involving gourmet jams perfectly illustrates this. In one scenario, shoppers were presented with a display of 24 different jams. In another, only 6. While the large display attracted more browsers, it resulted in very few actual purchases. In contrast, the smaller display led to significantly higher sales. Why? Because with fewer options, the opportunity cost, the fear of making the wrong choice and missing out on a better one, is lower. When we have dozens of similar choices, we worry that we haven't picked the absolute best one, leading to post-purchase regret. In a world of infinite digital catalogs, understanding that less is more is essential for businesses trying to keep customers engaged rather than exhausted.
As environmental awareness grows, many companies are eager to capitalize on the eco-friendly trend. However, this has led to a rise in greenwashing, the practice of making misleading or unsubstantiated claims about the environmental benefits of a product. Greenwashing isn't always an outright lie. Often, it's a clever use of vague imagery or selective data designed to manipulate a consumer's ethical intentions. Consider a plastic water bottle labeled 100% natural. While the water inside is natural, the packaging is a petroleum-based pollutant. Another common tactic is the hidden trade-off, where a brand highlights one green feature, like using recycled paper for a box, while ignoring the massive carbon footprint of the actual manufacturing process. This creates an ethical dilemma. It devalues legitimate sustainability efforts and breeds consumer skepticism. When people realize they've been misled, they often stop trusting green labels altogether. To combat this, regulatory bodies are tightening standards, requiring companies to provide specific third-party verified evidence for every environmental claim they make. Authentic sustainability requires transparency throughout the entire life cycle of a product, not just a green leaf on the logo.
In the evolving landscape of digital marketing, we are witnessing a significant departure from traditional celebrity endorsements. For decades, brands relied on megastars to reach the widest possible audience. However, the industry is shifting its focus toward micro-influencers, social media figures with smaller, highly specialized followings, typically ranging from 10,000 to 100,000 followers. The primary driver of this shift is perceived authenticity. While a global celebrity might reach millions, their endorsement often feels like a paid script, leading to low engagement rates. In contrast, micro-influencers occupy specific niches such as vegan cooking or indie gaming. Their followers often view them as peers or trusted experts rather than distant icons. This creates a community effect where recommendations carry the weight of a friend's advice. Data suggests that while micro-influencers have a smaller reach, their engagement rates, likes, comments, and actual conversions are significantly higher. For brands, this means a better return on investment. By partnering with several niche figures instead of one expensive celebrity, companies can build deeper, more resilient trust within specific target demographics, moving away from broad, shotgun advertising toward precision-targeted relationship building.